Good morning, students of class 8. The time is for now mathematics class. Students, today we will discuss exercise 10C from question number 3. In the previous class, we have discussed exercise 10B, last 4 questions, where I have given the homework 12 and 14, and also I have discussed exercise 10C question number 1 and 2, and 1 and 2 also have given for homework. Hope that these 4 questions you have done. Today for unavoidable circumstances, I am going to take your class through YouTube. Okay, so just watch the video carefully and try to understand today's topic. Okay, question number 3 here tells that Tanvi, a name of person, bought a watch for rupees 1980, including VAT. VAT means value added tax. I have discussed in the class, and the percentage of VAT is 10%. This VAT is imposed by the government. Find the original price of the watch. So first of all, you have to find out the amount of VAT that is imposed by the government. Okay. After getting the amount of VAT, then just we have to subtract the amount of VAT from the overall amount, then we get the actual original price. Okay, so let's see. Question number 3. Look at here, VAT is given 10%. Okay, so that means 10 by 100 into the overall amount, that is 1980 rupees. Okay, students, we just calculate it. 0 0 cancel, this 0 also cancel, that means it will be 198 rupees. So the tax, that is the VAT, which is included in the overall price, that is 198. So therefore you write, therefore the original price, original price of the watch equal to, here the overall price initially that is given 1980. So you write this 1980, and then you have to subtract this one by 198. Okay. After subtraction, you will get the required result. That means it will be rupees 1782. 1782 rupees. The original price is 1782 rupees. Okay. So in this way, you have to be solved here. Question number 3. Dear students, first of all, we have to find out the VAT. Here VAT is given 10%. So finding out the 10%, what is the amount actually comes. So we observe that 198 comes, and after getting this, then just subtracting by 198, subtracting 198 from 1980, we get 1782. So this is the required answer of question number 3. Next one. Come to the next question. Here, question number 4. Question number 4 here tells that Mohit bought a shirt for rupees 1337.50. Clear? Including VAT at 7%. Find the original price of the shirt. So it is not same as question number 3. The same as question number 3. First of all, you have to find out the VAT, the amount of VAT actually in rupees, and after getting the VAT, then you have to subtract the amount of VAT from 1337.50. You will get the required answer. But mind it, when you have to be solve it, you have to be write in proper statement. Okay. Now come to the next question, question number 5. In question number 5, here tells that Karuna bought 10 gram of gold for rupees 15,756, including VAT at 1%. Okay. The question tells that what is the rate of gold per 10 gram. So here 10 gram, the article is 10 gram. So don't take 10 gram as in calculation. Okay. 10 gram, you have to be right outside from the calculation. Okay. Otherwise, your answer will be wrong. Okay. Students, look at here. The overall price is telling here rupees 15,756, and VAT percent also given 1%. So first of all, you have to find out the VAT in rupees. That means 1 by 100 into 15,756, and after getting the calculation, you will get the amount of VAT, and this amount you have to be subtract from 15,756. You will get the actual price of 10 gram gold. Okay, that means question number 5, 4 and 3, these 3 questions are the same type of question. Okay, hope that you can solve it yourself. Now come to the next question, question number 6. Mohini purchased a computer for rupees 37,960 rupees. Okay, Mohini purchased a computer for 37,960 rupees, including VAT at 4%. What is the original price of the computer? Same type of question, question number 3, 4, 5 and 6. First of all, you have to find out the amount of VAT. That means it will be 4 by 100 into 37,960. You will have to be solve the calculation and will get the amount of VAT, After getting the VAT, you have to subtract it from the overall price. You will get the original price. Okay. Now next question, question number 7. Sajal purchased some car parts. Okay, various types of parts are there in car. So Sajal purchased some car parts for rupees 20,776, including VAT at 12%. What is the original cost of this square parts? Very simple. You can see this. I am going to show. Question number 7. So first of all, you have to find out VAT. So VAT is equal to, here given 12%. Now 12% means 12 by 100 into 20,776. 20,776. Okay. Now just calculate. You will get the amount of VAT. Students, here just multiply 20,776 with 12, and then you have to divide with 100 by shifting 0. Okay, it will be better. So I am now going to multiply 12 6 are 72, carry 7, 12 7 are 84, 84 plus 7 91, carry 9, 12 7 are 84 and 9 is 93, carry 9, 12 0 is 0 and 9 adding, so it will be 9, and 12 2 is 24. So 249312. Look at here, 12 6 is 72, carry 6, sorry, carry 7, 12 7 is 84 and 7 91, carry 9, 12 7 is again 84, 84 plus 9, that is 93. So 3 carry 9, 12 0 is 0 plus 9, that is 9, and 12 2 is 24. So 249312 by 100. By 100. That means this will give, after shifting 0, it will be 2493.12. Okay, rupees. So this is the amount of VAT. So therefore the original price of the parts. So therefore the original price of parts equal to, subtract, it will be 20776, 20776 minus 2493, 2493.12. Okay, 2493.12. Students, if you subtract it, you will get the required result of the square parts. Okay, so it will be so 18282.88 rupees. Okay, so okay students, today your homework will be question number 3 to question number 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 5 questions you have to be solved. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.